In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Windows Update errors Server 2016 on your Windows. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to click on the Start button and then go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Scroll down and you have to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update. So this will run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. Follow the on-screen instructions, and after running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is to reset the Windows Update components. So the commands will be posted in the description box below. Okay, so these are the commands that we need to run into the command prompt window. So just simply copy this to reset the Windows Update components. Control C to copy, and then open CMD in the Windows search bar. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes for the user account control, and here simply paste the commands and just wait for the process to be done. So once this is done, just simply type exit in the command prompt window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. The next thing that we can do is to run the system file checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD again. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control. In the elevated command prompt window, type SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. So once it is completed, do not forget to restart again your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.